Sebastian, what's wrong? What's wrong? Seabass. Get down. You want to say hi? Can you use real words? Can you say chicken? Sebastian? Sebastian? Can you say chicken? No, chicken. Can you say elephant? Can you say doggy? Can you say Maddie? Maddie. Can you say Dada? Mama. Mama. Say hi. You sure are grubby. Yeah. What? Can you say fishies? Fishies? What? Are you hungry?
Yeah.
Would you like something to eat?
Yeah.
What would you like to eat? What would you like to eat? Hey. What? Oh. Can you say I love you? I love you. No, love you. Can you say let's go? Let's go. Say go. Go.
Yeah.
Say choo-choo. What sound does a choo-choo make? What sound does a dinosaur make? Look at me.
Yeah.
What does a dinosaur make? What sound? There you go.